everyone, welcome back to my channel and we're here with another thrift flip. And if you're new here, I'm Nikki and I'm doing a lot of sewing tutorials and DIYs on this channel, and this is where I share my passion in sewing. But just a disclaimer, I'm not a professional seamstress and everything that I'm sharing with you here is just based on my experience and what works for me. And if you're interested to know how I made this top into this ruched top, then just keep on watching. So let's start this thrift flip. I'm just laying my shirt flat, then I'm just drawing a straight line from the underarm part of this shirt. And I'm cutting from the markings that I made. And I'm also marking a straight line on the bottom of the shirt so I could remove the curved part. And after folding, I'm marking 3 inches from the top of the shirt. And I'm just drawing a straight line from the markings that I made. And I'm drawing a curved line 1.5 inch away from the side seam. Then cut on the markings. Then I'm removing the button area of the shirt, and this will be the back part of our ruched top. Then after sewing, I will make a shared back on this ruched top. So I'm making horizontal lines 1 inch apart. And we're done with the shearing. This will be the back part of our top. And I'm sorry guys, I have not recorded the making of the darts. But here on the front part of the top, I made 2 darts so the top would fit me well. And it depends on you on how fit you want your top to be. And here I'm just using my serger to hem the bottom part of my top. Then I'm getting my sleeve and cutting that through the seam line. So here I'm just making the largest rectangle that I can make on the sleeve because we will use this for the bust part of our ruched top. And I'm doing the same on the other sleeve. And now I have two rectangles to use for the bust part of our top. And now I'm just connecting the two rectangles together. And I'm going to hem the top part of our bust part and folding that twice and pinning to keep that in place. After sewing, I'm just folding the fabric in the middle and then drawing a curved line on the bottom part so we could make like a big U-shaped fabric. And then I'm making a 1/2 inch wide channel for our strap. And then I made some bias stitch on the bottom part of the fabric so I could make the gathering. And I'm connecting that to the main bodies of our top. And I'm also hemming the unfinished part of the bodies. And after sewing, we're almost done with our top. And for the last part of our thrift flip, I'm using the excess fabric to make our strap. So here I'm making a 1.5 inch band. And after cutting, I'm just connecting all the pieces together to make a long strap. Now after connecting the band pieces together, I'm just folding the band twice and sewing that so we could make the strap. And time to insert the straps to our bodies. And here I'm using my self-locking tweezers to insert the strap to the channel that we made a while ago. And you can also use safety pin if you don't have tweezers like this one. And we're done with our thrift flip. Yay! Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy and learn something from this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and click the notification bell to get updated on my next videos. See you next time!